So hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is chapter 3, which is metals and non-metals. Right. In our today's video we will be just talking about their physical properties, which we have learned in junior standards also for metals and non-metals. Just physical properties in today's class. We'll understand that. Right. So first of all, I'll talk about metals. That metals are lustrous in nature. Lustrous means shining. Right. And non-metals are generally not lustrous in nature, non-lustrous. But there is an exception for it. There is an exception. Except we can write iodine. Iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous in nature, right? So second we'll talk about sonorous. Sonorous means producing ringing sound. So metal produces ringing sound, but in the case of non-metals, they do not produce ringing sound. Do not produce ringing sound. So means they are not sonorous, right? They don't produce ringing sound. Okay. Third is metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. As their particles are very close to each other, so they are good conductors of heat and electricity. But if we talk about non-metals, non-metals are not very good conductors of heat and electricity. Even they are bad conductors of it. They are not good conductors, means bad conductors, or you can write it insulators. Insulators. But there is some exceptions always. So the exception is of graphite. Graphite, which is used in our pencil lead. Graphite is a non-metal, but still it is a very good conductor of heat and electricity. Right. Now we'll talk another point. Metals are generally very hard in nature. हमने देखा है. So metals बहुत hard होता है. Iron, zinc, copper, hard in nature, right? But non-metals are very soft or not hard, right? Soft in nature. But there are always exceptions. I'll write the exception. Exception is diamond. Diamond is the hardest substance, right? On the planet Earth, it is the hardest substance and it is a non-metal, right? So there is always some exceptions. So now the fifth point is metals are malleable in nature. Malleable. Malleable means they can be drawn into thin sheets. Like we can see that aluminium foil. They are malleable in nature. But non-metals are non-malleable. They are not malleable. Non-malleable. They cannot be drawn into thin sheets, or they can be beaten into thin sheets. The next property is ductility. Ductility means drawn into wires. जैसे कि हम देखते हैं घरों के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई आती है एल्यूमिनियम कॉपर वायर्स में, बट नॉन मेटल्स could not be drawn into wires, right? So they are non-ductile. So these are some of the important properties of metals and non-metals. Then the next one is they are having high melting point and high boiling point. High melting point and high boiling point. But in the case of non-metals, they don't have high melting, they have low melting point, boiling point. Low melting point and boiling point. So these are some of the cases, or we can say the physical properties of metals and non-metals.